Let's learn how you can share a comment to the story on Instagram. If you want to share a comment as a sticker that someone left on your post to your Instagram stories, then follow my steps because it's pretty easy to do so. And also, I'm going to show you a solution on how to fix the problem where the comment sticker option is not working or isn't showing. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. The first step that we will do is to open the App Store or the Google Play Store and just make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. If you don't, just update the app because this is a new feature. After this step, we can open our Instagram application and then go over to our Instagram profile. The first thing that we have to do is to select a post that we want to share to our story, and I'll select this photo. Then go over to the comments section and select a comment which you want to share. If you are an Android user, you want to click on the comment which you want to share, and then a little menu will pop up with a couple of options. You should see a Add to Story button or Share to Story, and that's what you want to click on. But if you are an iOS user, then swipe from the right to the left over that comment, and then tap on this icon that looks like a little plus inside a circle. That's going to create a sticker from this comment over the post, and you can then resize it and put it wherever you want on the screen, and you can then share this with your friends and family members. But if you don't have this option in the Instagram application, even after updating the app, then you want to exit the Instagram app and go over to the settings. General. iPhone storage. But if you are an Android user, you want to open the settings on your phone, then find the Apps section. Search for Instagram in there, and then clear the cache and delete the data for the app, and you want to reinstall Instagram after that. But if you are an iPhone user, find Instagram on this list and open it, and we will click on this Offload App button. That is going to clear all the junk and unnecessary files that your Instagram application may have, and those files can cause some features to not work or show up, just like the comment for the story. So offload the app and then reinstall it. Wait a couple of minutes until your Instagram reinstalls, and then go over and check if this fixed your problem. And that's essentially how you can share comments to your Instagram stories after the new update. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.